Now that we've got the drawers installed, we're starting to make use of this area as a table. We've got a couple of boxes that usually sit up there that we just take out. One of them's the picnic set anyway, that's got all the cutlery in it. As you can see, it works quite well as a table. I was going to build one onto the back door, but this really looks like it's going to do the job for us anyway, despite the fact that this is a bit flimsy. If you don't put too much weight on it, I guess it'll be alright. I don't want to bend it. I really don't want to find out how strong it is. Anyway, what we're doing today is wraps. It's relatively healthy. Start off with large wraps. And on top of that, we put a mixture of, that looks like mustard, it isn't. That is sweet chili sauce. And we've got peanut butter. You can use crunchy or smooth, whatever you like. So we spread that out on the wrap, and in the wrap goes some ham, egg, tomato, carrot and lettuce. This is cos lettuce, and mushroom, all raw. Slice it up, grate it up, however you want to do it, and we'll just give you a squiz at how we do our wraps. Now we have a specially large plate to do the wraps on. Just makes life a bit easier if you've got something big to put the wraps on when you're making them. They tend to hang over the edge of cutting boards, and other plates are too small, so this one's our wrap making plate. Big dob of peanut butter. Spread that out. It's actually easier to use smooth peanut butter, but it does spread better on the wraps. But the thing with that is you don't get the nice crunchy bits of peanut in. So the peanut butter gets spread on pretty well all over the wrap. I pour a little bit of the sweet chili sauce on, not too much, don't want to overdo it. Spread that around as well. Mix it in with the peanut butter. You can put a bit more on if you like. It's probably a little bit light this time. Let's put a wee bit more. Now if you're carrying the right sort of gear with your picnic set, you'll probably have an egg slice, something like this. And you have a hard-boiled egg pre-done. Flop that through. And then you just arrange that up the middle of your wrap. Now some people carry a grater around. We just use a veggie peeler. It does the same job for things like this. Okay, so we have the sliced mushrooms, sliced tomato, some slices of double smoked ham. We have some cos lettuce. Cos lettuce is useful because you don't have to chop it into pieces, you just pull a couple of leaves off. And we have some carrot which we've grated using a peeler. And then we just construct the wrap. So with this one, I've already got one of the eggs put on, carrot on top, some thin slices of ham, tomato, bit of mushroom, and on top a couple of leaves of the cos lettuce. That actually, the way it folds over, helps to keep them in. And one of the reasons you've got the peanut butter on there is to help make it stick when you fold it over. And if you want to present it nicely, turn it over like that, so it looks great when people are ready to eat it. It's not going to be falling apart on the plate. You can leave it that way, but if you haven't got enough peanut butter on here, it'll just open itself up. So if you've got enough peanut butter on, it'll stick pretty nicely. And that, as they say in the business, is a wrap.